Alright, I'm here with another layout. My background is basil cardstock. I'm going to put my pictures down on yellow cardstock. And as you see, I have a lot of scraps, so I'm going to try to use them up. This is my 5th layout using the January kit. I know, girl, it's raining again, huh? Yeah. How do we tell Coco there's going to be no luck? Okay, I kid you not. Pouring rain. It come down pretty steady. Okay, Coco, she's whining. She's been whining a lot lately. So she's whining, just to stop her from whining. And I should never have done this. Here's a treat. So now she goes in the kitchen. She looks up where the treats are located on the fridge, and she whines and whines and whines until she gets one. And so she was whining. She was laying next to me, and I don't know why she was whining. I'm like, oh, because she hasn't been able to. We haven't been taking. Well, we did go on a walk yesterday, or the other day, day before, Thursday. But we couldn't. Friday. Let me think. Friday. No, Thursday. Friday. I don't remember. Thursday or Friday. Anyway, I took her for a walk, and she but anyway, yesterday she was whining. It was raining. I couldn't take her for a walk. I couldn't take her to go play fetch. And she brings me, and I'm like, what do you need? And so she takes off, and she is whining. And I'm like, I'm not giving you a treat. No. So a lot of times what I'll do, instead of giving her a treat, I give her a carrot. So at least it's a treat, but it's a healthy treat. Anyway, so she comes and she brings me her tennis ball. So rain, and I'm outside playing fetch. I'm like, really, dog? Oh, but, oh well, we gotta take one for the team, right? Anyway, back to the layout. So it's raining again today, so this day should be interesting. Okay, so the blue grid pattern is from Pink Fresh Studio, my favorite story. And then the pink striped pattern, which is right behind the photo, is Pink Paisley's number 8, Lucky Us. And the photo mat, of course, I told you is yellow basil cardstock. And then I'm going to use some more of those Freckle Fawn Vellum stickers. And here's someone you don't see very often, Reese. And then some more of those frames from Pink Fresh Studios, my favorite story. And the die cuts are from there as well, Pink Fresh Studio, my favorite story. And as well as these phrase stickers, which is how I am going to do my title, which is Love You More. So I'm just trying to figure out 100% where to stick all this, to put the title, because I want details right there, because then that's where I'm going to do my journaling, which I got caught up on. I keep the boxes from the kits, and I had 3 of those full of layouts I needed to journal, so I caught those up. And these ones I have all journaled already, so that's good. And let's see. I'm also going to use the puppy heart stickers again that are from Pink Paisley's Lucky Us. I have to go get, today I'm going to do that. On our way home I'm going to make Alex top, and I'm going to get some stuff to spray my landlord's yard, because, well, it's starting to grow grass now that we're getting all this rain. She asked me, since I'll be moving out, she wants to, and I told her, I said, I don't know what's going on with the yard. I said, because it's all weeds. I said, it's not much for grass. So I'm going to spray for weeds and put down grass seed for her. Anyway, that completes my layout. Thanks for watching. Bye.